Hey everyone, welcome back to For Real. I'm Anna, your go-to tech guide, and today we're diving into a handy little trick for all the parents out there. We're talking about how to lock or restrict volume controls on your kids' iPhones or iPads. If your kids love cranking up the volume while playing games or watching YouTube, this one's for you. So let's start by tackling those headphones and Bluetooth speakers. It's pretty straightforward. Just open up your Settings app, scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Now swipe down till you hit Headphone Audio and tap on Headphone Safety. Flip that toggle next to Reduce Loud Audio to On. You can adjust the volume limit here with levels like 75 decibels, which is like a vacuum cleaner, to 100 decibels, as loud as an ambulance siren. Once that's set, head back to the main settings page, tap on Screen Time, and then Content and Privacy Restrictions. Turn on the toggle and make your way to Allow Changes. Tap Reduce Loud Sounds and hit Allow. Easy peasy, right? But what about the built-in speakers, you ask? Here's where guided access comes in handy. This feature is like the Swiss Army knife for parental controls. First, open Settings, hit Accessibility, then scroll to General and tap Guided Access. Turn it on and don't forget to set a passcode that's different from your usual one. Triple-click the Side or Home button, and you can circle areas on the screen to disable them. This is perfect for when you want to prevent your kids from fiddling with the volume. Just tap Options to tweak what features you want active during the session and hit Start. We're halfway through and I hope you're finding this helpful. If you are, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment if you've got any questions or tips to share. Your support keeps us going. Now, once your kids are done with their screen time, you can end the session by double-clicking the Side or Home button. Use Face ID or Touch ID if you have it set, and enter the guided access passcode. Simple as that. If you're still having trouble or just want another layer of control, there's an app called Volume Limit Control. It's designed to offer parental volume control, although it's not perfect. It's free, but there's an in-app purchase to unlock more features. And there you have it. You've now got the tools to keep those volume levels in check and save your ears from impending doom. Thanks for tuning in to For Real. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech tips and tricks. Catch you in the next one.